are institutional spaces for communities of learners, including both students and teachers. They assemble together for morning assembly. In classroom, they study together. In playground, they play together. During break, they chat with their friends, share their experiences. All these activities give school the character of a learning community. In this community of learners, teacher plays an important role of providing students a variety of selected learning experiences and also of guiding and facilitating learning. However, teaching in most of the schools remains teacher-centric, where teacher is the transmitter of knowledge.
This day, tomorrow is next day, yesterday is the day before. So today is this day. Got it? Yes. He said that he will be late this day. There will be no inverted commas, there will be no comma, just you are going to indirect speech, you are going to write only this. I samajh?
Children are passive receivers of knowledge. Teacher writes on the blackboard. Students copy. Teacher speaks and children repeat the same in chorus.
Das ekam das. Das duni mi.
On other occasions, children's tongues are sealed with strict rules of silence. Teacher is authoritative and student participation in learning is absent. Children find this kind of learning boring and stressful.
और पढ़ाते वक्त ये ध्यान में रखना, जैसे बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि बच्चे तो एक गीली मिट्टी की तरह होते हैं, तो उनको मोल्ड करके किसी तरह भी बनाया जा सकता है। उनको मिट्टी मत समझिए। बच्चे तो एक किस्म से मैं कहता हूँ, जैसे आजकल शब्द इस्तेमाल होने लग गया है, सोसाइटी के स्टेम सेल्स, जिनमें ये क्षमता होती है कि वो कुछ भी बन सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
Teachers need to recognize students as constructors of their own knowledge. Children learn better when they are actively involved in the learning process. Learning is according to the developmental stage of learners. Learning is related to their daily life experiences. Learning situations are drawn from their environment. Pupil-teacher and pupil-pupil interactions are encouraged.
To prepare teachers as facilitators in the process of learning and reflective practitioners, pre-service and in-service education of teachers has been considered important.
In-service education of teachers has been considered important for this shift from being a source of knowledge to a facilitator. In-service training programs provide teachers the opportunity to engage in active learning.
सिमुलेशन आता है।
Selecting and designing innovative teaching learning materials and methods.
ये दूसरे निकल गया बाहर a माइनस b बाउंड a माइनस तो अब ये बच गया हमारे पास a माइनस ये कितना बचा ये a था और b निकल गया
डेवलप किया कहाँ पर इसके हाइपोटेन्यूज पर। सिमिलरली वी कैन ड्रा ए सिलेंडर ऑन बेस। Similarly, draw a perpendicular cylinder on base.
Teachers learn how mathematical concepts can be taught through activities.
अब इनका फार्मूला तो इसका रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा? तो आप एक बार इसका इधर से देखिए, जो बड़े वॉल्यूम में था मटेरियल वो पूरा का पूरा छोटे मटेरियल इन दोनों सिलेंडर में कंप्लीट हो गया। यानी कि इन दोनों जो वॉल्यूम का सम इससे बड़े सिलेंडर के वॉल्यूम से।
These give them opportunities to observe, experiment,
and some converts into wave motion. And that is why some of the
provide adequate explanations, and arriving at their own understanding of concepts.
Image of the hole on the retina. Other eye is forming image of the hand on the retina.
The retina is
but
not here.
back of the eye.
In the back of the eye. I'm just
See, both the images are overlapping because one image is finally taken to the brain. That is why we see a hole in the hand.
Teachers too must be given the opportunities to discover the joys of learning.
Colored papers का उसी size का.
Teachers share their learning materials with other teachers.
सेम साइज का और फिर उसको अरेंज करने के बच्चे को खुद ही कहा जाए कि अपने से अरेंज करो, देखो कि एक सेमी सर्किल का फॉर्मेशन होता है कि नहीं होता है। तो अगर वो अपने से अरेंज कर लेता है सेमी सर्किल फॉर्मेशन तो इससे कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा कि 180 हो रहा है।
They learn from each other's experiences. Interaction and discussions help in validating their own concepts.
Become a square. Okay, this is c square because all sides are equal, so the area of the c square is equal to the area of a square plus b square. I think so.
Have you understand?
No.
Okay, so the thing is, actually, area is this, suppose this is a, this is b.
Area of the c is
this is a square, so this is c square. Now this is a, this is b. So area of this part is half ab. So 4 half AB means 2AB. So how this 2AB is equivalent to here a square plus b square?
I'm also not clear. जो concept मुझे लगा मैं वही आप.
They get opportunity to interact with experts.
A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So now just remove these things from the whole length. You remove this is 2ab. This is 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab. Left part is a square. A square plus b. And what is the left in the geometry?
C square.
Power and
These programs provide space for teachers' questions and voices.
And students normally ask that if there is a, because in democracy everyone has right to raise.
इवैल्यूएशन का प्रोसेस हमको ना दें, इस एक्टिविटी बेस्ड में एक्टिविटी के थ्रू कैसे बच्चों को इवैल्यूएट करना वो हम कहाँ कर पाते हैं, पढ़ाते हैं हम वो क्वेश्चन ही है।
Training programs help teachers to acquire knowledge and skills in an interactive environment. Teaching of social sciences must adopt methods that promote creativity, aesthetics, and critical perspective.
इन चीज़ों को दिखाकर हम बच्चों से बहुत कुछ प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं कि वहाँ का व्यवसाय क्या था, वहाँ के परिधान कैसे थे, आभूषण थे तो किस प्रकार से वो आभूषण बनाते थे, यानी उनके व्यवसाय क्या क्या थे, तो उनके जीवन के विविध पहलुओं से हम उन्हें परिचित करा सकते हैं।
In service, teacher education programs can help teachers to become caring and human facilitators by providing teachers opportunities to share their experiences.
मैं साइंस विषय पढ़ाता हूँ और मैं देखता था साइंस विषय पढ़ाते हुए बच्चे कुछ बैठे होते थे, मैं बोर्ड पे कुछ लिखा रहा होता था, वो अपनी कॉपी पे कुछ लिख रहे हैं, ये तो मैं देख रहा हूँ, लेकिन कई बार मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि जो मैं उन्हें लिखवाता हूँ वो नहीं लिख पाते। तो मैंने अपने लेवल पे शहर में हमारे एक डॉक्टर हैं, डॉक्टर अरोड़ा, मैंने उन्हें रिक्वेस्ट की, मैंने कहा डॉक्टर साहब मेरे पास 10-12 बच्चे हैं, आप उनको प्लीज चेक कीजिए। उन्होंने मेरा अनुरोध सर स्वीकार किया, उन्होंने अपने लेवल पे उन बच्चों को चेक किया और उन बच्चों को अपनी तरफ से ही उन्होंने चश्मे भी लगवा दिए। उन 12 के 12 बच्चों की जो आई साइट थी वो वीक निकली।
तो नॉर्मली हमारे पास बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जिनमें विजुअली हैंडीकैप भी हैं, हियरिंग इम्पेयर्ड भी हैं और ऑर्थोपेडिकली हैंडीकैप भी हैं। तो जो बच्चे जिसकी जैसी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, अगर वो हियरिंग इम्पेयर्ड है तो हम उनको मशीन भी दिलवाते हैं और फिर मशीन दिलवा के उनको आगे वाली रॉ में बिठाते हैं और बच्चों के साथ मिलाते हुए।
However, the approach in most of the teacher training programs has remained lecture-based, with little opportunity for trainees to actively participate.
Strenuous efforts should be made for the early fulfillment of directive principle of Article 45 of the Constitution, seeking to provide.
The resource person is the transmitter of knowledge, and teachers are passive receivers of knowledge. The resource person reads textbook and explains meaning to the teachers, the same way as teacher explains to the students.
देखिए कि बार मुझे लगता है कि टीचर ट्रेनिंग के दौरान हम टीचर्स जिनको ट्रेन कर रहे हैं उनको भी उसी तरह से मानने लगते हैं जैसे आम तौर के टीचर्स जो हैं बच्चों को मानते हैं कि इनको सिखाना है। ये ट्रेनिंग नहीं है, उनको नई चीज़ करने की, नई चीज़ सोचने की।
There is a need to recognize that teachers learn through participative process.
That opening, and madam is able to hear from here because I think both of them are connected with a tube and through that tube there is reflection of sound.
Pedagogical shift is required in teacher education programs also, from teacher-centered to learner-centered, from knowledge as fixed and given to knowledge as created and evolved.
The approach to teacher training must shift from teacher-centric to learner-centric.
A comprehension. This comprehension has so many mistakes. You have to correct all the mistakes.
Learning within four walls to learning in wider social context.
जो लिखा गया है
knowledge as given and fixed.
But I think the end would not have been, should not have been that pathetic. Should not have been
Okay,
that
so
pathetic.
that means you really want to change the ending. Can we do it?
To knowledge as it evolves and is created.
And we can change the ending on a positive note, giving it a new dimension.
Learning environment, number of trainees, venue, and seating arrangement are important in training of teachers. When the number of teachers is very large, teachers can neither interact with the resource person nor with the teachers. The number of teachers should not be more than 30.
पहले अब लगाते हैं पैरेलल में। पैरेलल में आप क्या करेंगे, इसकी एक तार और इसकी एक तार, ये सारी एक जगह जोड़ लीजिए, ये जोड़ लीजिए।
Even when the experiment is being done by the resource person, teachers can neither see it nor understand if the number of trainees is very large. Seating arrangement should be such that trainees are able to interact.
अब इनका फॉर्मूला, तो इसका रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा? तो आप एक बार इसका रेडियस निकालिए। अगर साइड ए है तो रेडियस a/2 होगा, तो ये भी रेडियस a/2 हो जाएगा।
Dull environment is not motivating for teachers. Motivating learning environment is conducive to learning.
तो आखिर में आके अच्छा टीचर जब वो होता है जिसमें जो पढ़ाने वाला और पढ़ने वाला दोनों सीखते हैं, एक दूसरे को सिखाते हैं। मुश्किल होता है। अच्छे टीचर को ये भी कह सकना चाहिए कि यार तुमने बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल पूछ लिया, मैंने सोचा नहीं इसके बारे में, थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है मुझे, पर मैं भी सोच के आऊँगा, तुम भी सोचो, कल फिर बात करेंगे। ऐसी हिम्मत होनी चाहिए। अगर करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि बच्चों को भी इसमें ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आता है, उसमें जाते हैं तो पढ़ाई बोझ भी नहीं रहती।
ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स which have been organized from time to time, they have come to be very handy to the teachers. First of all, we used to teach, the teaching was merely a teacher-oriented teaching. The focus and the child was neglected, but because of attending these different programs, the focus has been now shifted from the teacher to the child. And these training programs, there's a lot of interaction. When you meet the other teachers, we sort out our difficulties, where the problem lies, we try to understand, and when we go back after the training program, we are much well equipped than we were before in taking our lessons. So according to me, these training programs should be organized from time to time. They act like a rejuvenation to the teacher.